birthday, Tita Zenny. Wish you all the best in life. I hope you'll enjoy your birthday and enjoy palagi po.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday. We love and miss you.
Miss
God
you po.
bless.
See you soon. Mwah!
Bye-bye.
Ana, mabati sa iyo ng maligayang karawan sa iyo.
Zenny.
Utol, sana sa darating na yung karawan, sana ay lagi kang masaya, walang sakit, at sana lagi kang masaya sa iyong pamilya at ang kaming mga kapatid mo. Sana lagi kayong magkasama, lahat ng problema itapon nyo, mabibigwa sa mga.
Sana. Good health. Salamat sa lahat.
Kaya sana, sa darating na birthday mo, sana maligaya kayong pamilya.
Happy birthday, Ate Senny. Sana lahat ng wishes mo at mga wishes namin ay matupad ngayong birthday mo. Lalo na sa good health, happiness, at magandang buhay sa family. Enjoy life at 60.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Senny. Sana at least nandyan sana kami para makapag-celebrate sa iyo. Pero ganun pa man, mag-enjoy kayo. Bless as always. Sana makapasyal din kami dyan.
We love you, Ate Senny.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy 60th birthday! O, nauna kita, ha? Enjoy the party. Mag-iingat kayo dyan, okay? Regards!
Tita Zenny, happy birthday. We wish you many more birthdays to come. We wish we were there and we hope to see you soon. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Senny. More blessings, good health. We love you. Regards to everyone.
Happy birthday. Miss you.
Happy birthday!
That's Brian. Okay, bye.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Enjoy!
Woo!
Hi Lola, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. Stay healthy, beautiful, and wonderful as you are.
Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life and may God continue to bless you every day with good health, happiness, and the best life has to offer. We love you.
Sis, happy birthday! Welcome to the senior club. Now that you're 60, I wish that you continue to have a happy and beautiful life. Stay happy, blessed, and may you have many, many more wonderful birthdays to celebrate. We love you. Mwah.
Happy 60th birthday to the Zenny. We hope that you have a memorable 60th birthday. We love and miss you. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Hey, Tita Zenny, from Philippines to London, we love you!
Hi, Senny. Happy birthday. God bless. Wish you long life. Sana hindi ka magbago. Miss you. Love you.
Hello, Mariko. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo sa birthday mo ito ay good health, happiness, more blessings, and birthday. Take care always. At sana ay magkita tayong muli sa 2020. Again, happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Sen. Happy birthday. Wish you always in good health. Enjoy your special day. Bye-bye.
Wish po namin ay sana lagi po kayong magkaroon ng good health.
Continuous blessing po sa family nyo.
Stay beautiful! And more birthday celebration.
And thank you for helping our family.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday po, Tita Zenny.
Lola Say!
Maraming salamat na binigay mo sa akin.
Happy birthday, Tita Zenny!
Happy birthday, Tita Zenny. Wishing you all the best and God willing many more happy and healthy years to come. We love you very much and hopefully we can see you all very soon. Ali also sends his regards and wishes you also happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Seni. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Tita Seni! More birthdays to come! God bless you.
God bless. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Seni! We love and miss you!
Enjoy your party.
Hi, happy birthday, Jerry. Punta na kayo dyan. Ingit kayo lagi Baka na pa uwi. Dito sa Pilipinas.
Birthday. I'm sorry I couldn't be there with you today, but I hope you have an amazing day and enjoy everything that Mazan and Atinaf has prepared for you. With love from Cape Town. And James and I.
Happy birthday.
Bye!
Happy 60th birthday po. May you have more blessings to come, more birthdays, more candles to blow. Sana po sa susunod ng vacation, makapunta po kayo dito. And sa lahat-lahat ng kabutihan nyo, ni Tito Rainier po, Masen and Nefer. Again, happiest birthday po.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Seni. Wish you all the best in life, health, and love.
Happy 60th birthday, Mare. First of all, I wish you good health, long life, and more blessings to come. Thank you for the generosity and time that you have extended to my family when we visited London last year. I really do appreciate our friendship. I hope to see you and Mare in the near future. Next time you visited the Philippines. Once again, happy birthday, Mare.
Happy birthday. May God shower you with more blessings and good health. Nef, Jason, and T are so blessed for having you.
Happy birthday, Seni. Enjoy your 60th birthday. We love you all.
Tisani, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. Just to let you know that 60 is the new 50, I suppose, maybe. But just the same, have a fabulous day and enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday, Tisani.
Words to describe, ikaw para kang para kang wine eh. As you age, you are tastier, sweeter, yummy. You are complete. You are contented. Opo, masasabi ko sa iyo is, mahal kita, Mare, at saka, you are important to me. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May there be more, many candles to blow. We wish you all the best. May God bless you always. Mabuhay ka.
Oh, Nena. Happy birthday, darling. Sana dito na happy birthday. Para sama tayo dito. Matanda ka nga. Siyenta ka pala na eh. Kala mo, 50 ka pa po eh. Happy birthday, anak. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday. 60th birthday, Ma. Hoping na mag-enjoy ka sa araw po na ito. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Mahal na mahal namin kayo at miss na po. Salamat sa pag-uunawa, salamat sa pagmamahal na binigay niyo po sa akin at sa aking pamilya. And once again, happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama! We love you. We miss you.
Sino sa may sasabihin daw?
Yapa, Mama. Miss you. Yapa,
Ano pa? Mama, YouTube.
Mama,
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Lahat na. Yang maligay. Ay naman, Danyo. Ang ganda ng candle mo.
pang-blow na, oh. Blow na.